My name is Sheldon Mutei. I am an animator, illustrator, stop motion animator. Yeah. My inspiration for this project was really uh, being able to showcase the potential of Africa and its fullness of female scientists.
The inspiration, of course, was the kids, the school that we worked in, while we were doing the film. I think we really valued and wanted to see how we can do more for the kids and give them something physical, just aside from the kids that were in the school itself. We figured we can do something for kids outside the project as well. So I think that was the inspiration. I wanted to make something really fun and exciting so that when a child opens it and sees the work, they'd be, excited to copy it, to fill in colors. I remember when I was a kid myself, all the science books were the illustrations were very serious, they were beautiful illustrations, but they were very serious, so I just wanted to make it fun and exciting for the kids.
For this project, I went with two art styles, which are pretty much the same thing. My art styles are very playful and quirky. I'd like for it to be colorful as well at times. So I chose to do a caricature as one style, and I chose to do like an inked project, an inked line work as the other style. I chose to do that because I'm comfortable doing that. I really enjoy showing people portraits or images of people as playful as not so serious. I think caricatures do that for me. They show people, they exaggerate some features, make the images funny to look at, enjoyable to look at. I think it's appealing to like kids and to an audience who's very particular about how people look. I think it's more stylized, making it more enjoyable to just read and see and watch. My biggest challenge with this project was capturing the essence of the art of the scientists and not taking away like the seriousness of what they do or watering down like how they are or how I present them to the readers or to like in an illustration. I think that was my biggest challenge, like actually capturing the essence and making sure that I stick true to the scientific nature and still making it enjoyable to the reader. I think that was my biggest challenge. My biggest goal is seeing people noticing the impact of women in culture and women in spaces that are mostly male dominated. I think that would be my biggest like impact and hope for this project. Like seeing children, female children, seeing themselves as shapers of culture, as influencers in different spaces, in male dominated spaces. I think that would be my biggest like hope for this project.
I mean, my takeaway is we need more books like that, made for African kids, made by African scientists, highlighting African scientists and uplifting them. My takeaway was like I learned. It was so cool to do the project because I got to learn about female scientists just doing amazing things in this sphere. Things that I don't think I would see anywhere else. So I think we need more such books out there for kids, and I feel like that impact will be felt, especially if we continue with our project, especially. Kids need to see, people of color who look like them and who are doing, amazing things.